and welcome to my vlog. This one's going to be a little different because there was a boy at work named Justin Hirschberger who turned me on to what's called Geo catching. And what it is a worldwide treasure hunt. I figured it was a little way to spend some time with the wife.
My keys.
Okay, I'm going by myself.
You said we weren't going.
Yes, we're going now.
Come on, Pooh. You can't go.
Mom, we're going to take you home. Go on, Bob.
Pooey.
Sorry, Bob.
Max, come.
Go on, Bobby. Go ahead.
Maggie, come
Go back in the house. Go in the house, bud.
Where?
Sorry, buddy. I know.
Come on,
Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead.
Come on, Pooh.
No, boy.
Come on, Pooey.
We're going to head out and find our first treasure. And go to your Google app or go to the App Store or one of the other app stores and look for Geocache and sign up. Now you do have right now we're just going to do it for free, but there is premium, and that's a certain amount per month. I guess it depends on which app you get into, but we're going to check this out and give us something to do in the afternoon. Most of these are real local, so that's where we're heading out right now. On Sundays we'll go to different, a little further away, but we're gonna try it out and see how it works, so stay tuned.
It's on the phone.
Right. Well, you had your app already set up, right?
Yeah.
Come on, take off. So we're staying here in Wayland?
Oh, hold on a minute.
We're at a location where it says it is, but now the question is, where? Depending on where you're at, it's also going to be dealing with mosquitoes. Let's say we're looking for. An idea?
We got a real good idea, but I ain't helping you.
Oh, it's showing you on your app?
Show me on my computer.
Really? Warm, cold? Oh. No, it's cornfield. It's by a cemetery in a hedgerow. In a tree. Could be in a tree. What's it say? Get you spinning around in circles, girl. Gotta be something, I would think, somewhat obvious in a hedgerow. I'm going to drop into my website and see if I can find something. Through the app. Oh, on a cornfield. Supposed to be by the cemetery. In a hedgerow. You be careful, don't you twist your ankle. I can't carry you out of here. I'm actually in the cemetery. There's a bottle, but I don't know what we're looking for. I don't know what I'm looking for. What? What? I gotta get on my app. I'll be back.
Doesn't have to go out here.
Alright, think she's discovered something.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
My hand. What am I doing with my hand?
I want to come over there.
Oh. Yeah, we got these things over there. What are you seeing? It's in the hedge, somewhere along the hedge. I don't know what I'm looking for yet. Success. It was hiding inside a trunk. Like to open it?
Nope.
Nope, what?
Open it.
Open it.
Open it. You found it. Open it.
Not a competition, dear.
Yeah, it was.
No, it wasn't.
And you followed me around.
No,
I ain't opening it. I don't want to.
it wasn't. Open it up.
No, you open it.
Dear,
I wanna
open
see
it.
what's in there.
Open it up. Open
I didn't
it up.
find it.
Doesn't matter. We're working as a team. We're working as a team.
I don't work as a team, dude.
You don't work as a team.
Nope.
Oh, jeez. Open it
You
up.
followed me around. You walked off from me. You followed me around.
We are working as a team.
Give me no keys.
We are working as a team.
Give me my keys. I see a team when you walk home.
Right. Here's what we found. Oh, there's a pencil in there. Good. Okay. You can leave stuff in there. I have to figure out what the end of this is. We're back as far as 16. 16. 16. I'll find the current. Somebody current. FTF. $8.12. Today, 8. Oh, 20. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. Baggy, little baggy. You can either take something or leave it. Oh. business card in there. Put it right back. Okay. I think I'll leave that out of the video. Okay, sweet. Right. No. There. All right. Takes care of that. That one. We found it. Now, get that out. We're gonna figure out how to record that.